What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you had a great time with your family and celebrating Christmas, and I hope you enjoy. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I'm using the Heikin Ashi candlestick in my trading so you can benefit from it. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the next topic that you want me to cover next. Peace and love. Let's get straight to the video, guys. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back. I'm gonna share with you right now how do I using the Heikin Ashi candlestick for your trading. So let's get it right into the video, guys. What actually it is Heikin Ashi candlestick. First thing what you can do if you got your like normal size candles, yeah, what you can do, you can go above here, press this button where it says candle and choose the where it's the Heikin Ashi candle, and they were gonna show you this way. Yeah, how you can use, I got two ways that we can use, guys. First way is you can use as a supply and demand area. Yeah, I've been using them as a supply and demand area, which you can see. That's the first one. You see beautifully, push, come back, and you can enter a trade, move on. Yeah, you go break a structure, then that means this is my next supply. I will draw this way. And as a entry point here, what you can do, how I was doing, yeah. First thing what you can do, you can just wait, for example, like it's got push, break a structure, waiting for pullback, come into the zone, and usual to do it this way, to drag the zone from the bottom of the wick, and when first blue candle is formed, you're just gonna drag it, not like that, but from this area, from the bottom of this wick, yeah. So that's gonna be my supply area. The price action beautifully came in. You can do one of two things. Either you can jump here, wait for the bullish engulfing. That's what I'm doing sometimes. That's the first scenario. You can drag like that, put beneath, and target this higher high. That's the first entry, yeah, as an entry point, yeah. But what you can do instead, you can still keep the Heikin Ashi, yeah, and you can enter on the break of this candle. The stop loss you're gonna put beneath here, and you're gonna drag, target this high. And then one more thing how you can use this Heikin Ashi is let the price action to come to the zone, touch it, and when you see first blue candle, like the trend tries to reverse, yeah, set your entry beneath this candle, the blue candle, and you can put it this way. That would be even better risk to reward. My point is, this is very risky and very aggressive way to enter a trade, but it's still an entry point. So it's totally up to you guys how you can use that. My point of my videos, guys, is to share the way how I'm seeing the market and the way how I am approaching the market. I'm not saying I'm enter like that every single time, but I've been used to do that. So usual what I do recommend to you guys is to get this candle and wait for the bullish engulfing. That it will be the perfect scenario to me, yeah. Once you get this bearish engulfing, you can put like the stop loss beneath here. Either if you want to be more aggressive, you can put it below this one. It's just sometime the price action can come here, fake you below and take you out and then move up, yeah. But what you can do, if you check my previous video on how to use the engulfing candles, you can do wait for the bullish engulfing, yeah, put it like that, and use the 25 or 50% of candle of bearish or bullish engulfing and targeting this high. I would not recommend to target literally the high. I would recommend you to target the body. That's more effective. You will see a lot of times when you're gonna try to get the entry, you will see those things that the price action gets here and it doesn't take this high and comes back, reverses. So that's the best scenario that I can share with you guys in this video. If you enjoyed this video, guys, feel free to leave a like, and if you misunderstood something, just let me know down in the comments what you want me, and I will explain it to you properly, whatever question you got. So that's it for this video, guys. Peace and love. I'm out.